Good morning, guys. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all well. Last night I couldn't sleep very well because I had this plan in my mind. I was thinking the Commonwealth Games are being hosted in my home city, Birmingham. What shall I do to show you some of it? Well, by the time this video goes out, the Commonwealth opening ceremony will be a few days away, maybe a day or two, depending on when I get this video edited and out. And I just thought, you know what, tomorrow, go out, take the bus, maybe a double-decker bus, get a seat up top, and show you guys what's happening in our city in preparation for the Commonwealth Games. It's only a few days away, as I say, and it's all exciting. I haven't been watching any telly. I'm sure if I had been watching telly, there'd be a lot of it on. I did see a little interview by Dina Asher-Smith and Shelley and Fraser Price, and they were excited to come to Birmingham, so we're excited as well. It is only a few minutes drive away from us here, but there is a whole lot of traffic. I'm figuring if we drive, we're going to be stuck in traffic a lot of the way, and we don't want that to happen. And we also haven't been out recently to check. So I'm going to get the bus. I'm going to get a front row seat so you can have a tour with us and see what's happening. Hopefully I'll be able to chat to a few people as well to see what they think about Birmingham hosting the Commonwealth Games, where I'm personally excited to welcome the Jamaican athletes as well as other athletes from around the world, but you know I'm a little bit biased. Okay, so I'm going to have with me just a small handbag over my shoulder. I'm wearing a light denim jacket only because outside does look a little bit, it's not cold, but it does look a little bit, what's the word? It does look like it's going to rain a little bit, maybe later on, I'm not sure, so not taking any chances. This is sleeveless, so a little jacket will help. I've got my phone. I've got some masks. I'm only taking my DJI Osmo Pocket camera. I like it because it's so handy to take with you if you don't want to carry lots of camera equipment around. That's it. Just small, handheld, and that will be able to pick up everything that I want. It can face track as well, so if I'm moving, if it's facing me and I'm moving, it follows my direction as well. And also I can twist the head around really quickly so others can see what I'm focusing on. If I decide to show you up in the sky, or I'm interviewing somebody and I'm showing you them, then it quickly switches around to that. So come with me and I'm going to take you on the bus on a little tour, see what we can see for Birmingham 2022 Commonwealth Games. Come on. Oh, I forgot my bag. Ceremonies 2022 advanced warning. A453 Aldridge Road closed between 3 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. on the 24th, 26th and 28th of July. All right, let's go get my bus. Right, I'm at the bus stop now, and already I've realized I've left my glasses, my sunglasses, shades. It's not really sunny, but you know, when you haven't been out in the light for so long, and then you come out, oh, my eyes are slightly watering. But I'm at the number 7 bus stop. Let's show you. Yeah. So I'm going to get the number 7 and then get off to get number 11, where I think I'll be able to see some action. And then who knows where it will take me after that. But we'll see. Okay, you'd think I'm crying, but I'm not. I just My eyes are watering. But here's my bus. I'm going to get on now. Morning. Thank you. I've just got off the number 7. I'm going to cross the road to get the number 11, and one I just missed one. But I'm going to cross and wait on the next one. Exciting! Oh, there's a number 11, but it's going in the wrong direction. And another number 7 passing. Yeah. Yes! So I'll be able to get the numbers 11 from here now. Morning. Thank you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay.
Well, for my sins, the bus has dropped me off here. apparently the bus I got on was a number 11, but it's one of those, I think 11C, which only goes part of the way, and so I'd have to cross the road if I want to carry on that route. But down in that direction, let's show you, is where a lot of the action is going to take place. Can you see those high-rise buildings? That's where some of the athletes are going to be staying. That's part of the athlete village. There's a new train station there. The regular shops that we're used to are up that way, but this little quadrangle with a few flowers, these weren't here before, so that's new. There was a road that's under here. There was another road, and they've dismantled that in order to accommodate the infrastructure for the Commonwealth Games. But I think I'm going to head back down that way to near to the shopping center, one-stop shopping center, and we'll see what we can get to see from there, or maybe get on another bus. A little bit disappointed, but it's okay. In case you ever wonder, this is where we call the banana chip shop. So when we feel like having banana chips and some other Jamaican or Caribbean snacks, this is where we go. And right next to it is the hair and cosmetics and beauty shop. I just need some hair bands, so I'm going to take a little detour and get some hair bands in there.
Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer no, man, I still go.
5, 6, I'll get that one. Breadfruit, June. Problem is I don't know what's good and what isn't. So I'm standing by the new train station. This was not here at all a year ago. Less than a year ago, it wasn't here. It's called Bar train station, and it's only been built I assume to accommodate the games. So I assume these would have links to the city and back to Erdington where we live and so on.
If you see or hear something that doesn't feel right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. See it, say it, sorted.
Can one of you ladies get a picture of me there, please?
Yeah, of course. You weren't tall enough to
I'm
get
not
in.
tall enough to put my head in there.
Poor thing.
What am I
Right,
pressing?
let me see. On
It's filming it.
yeah. So I'll be able. So you just hold it. I'll be
Okay.
able to take it.
What's the
Not even
camera?
on the thing, don't move it, it moves on its own. What's
I
going on?
don't. Why isn't it moving?
It's gone up.
Hang on. It is.
There we go, we got it.
I
we
got it. I got. It's like if I moved it down, it got it in angle.
Thank you. Are you from Birmingham?
No, we live nearby.
We live nearby.
Staffordshire. Oh, okay.
But we're performing.
We're doing the Commonwealth Games.
Can I do a little interview with you, please,
Oh.
for my YouTube channel?
Go on, Darcy,
Go
you
on.
can do
No,
it.
you
She
do
loves
it.
it. Go on, Darcy.
All right. So I've met two lovely young ladies from Staffordshire.
Yes.
Do you want to share your names first?
I'm Darcy.
Darcy.
Lauren.
And why are you here in Birmingham?
We're performing in the opening ceremony.
Wow.
Yeah.
What will you be doing?
We've been rehearsing for the last 2 months for this.
Yeah.
We are going to be in one of the big scenes. We can't reveal too much
Wow,
at the
okay.
moment when it's on telly tonight. But yeah, we're going to be one of the big scenes that just celebrates the industry of Birmingham and some of the characters that were about in Birmingham
Okay.
a long, long time ago. But yeah, it's been really exciting.
Have you been able to meet any of the athletes or
Not yet.
anybody
Not yet.
significant?
We might catch them tonight.
Wow.
They're all
Okay.
coming into
Yeah.
to the stadium tonight and walking
Okay.
around celebrating their country before it kicks off tomorrow.
Oh, wow.
There we go.
Yee, thank you so much. Enjoy. All right, bye-bye. There's quite a little buzz in the air, and I just got to interview two young ladies who are taking part in the opening ceremony. I'm trying to grab the courage to chat to a few other people. Don't know if it will happen yet, but there's quite a buzz, and I see quite a few police and other security in the area. I'll walk on over to that shopping center, one-stop shopping center, and see if there's anything I can show you. Oh, there's one of the buses that will transport the workers. I suppose they're having a cigarette break now. But let's go over to the shopping center. Those people who are performing in the opening ceremony, I see them heading that way. So I'm assuming that something is happening there. Or I don't know if that's where they're rehearsing. But isn't that lovely? One more of the buildings for the athletes. Yeah, you can go inside and then go down. Mask on. Cake box, anybody? All sorts of cakes? No? Okay, let's go on. Ultimate Grocers, but you
Yeah,
sell
but
cook.
inside we do the takeaway as well. It's Top Gully.
Oh, Top
Yeah,
Gully is the
yeah,
takeaway
is
side,
Top Gully, yeah.
and you sell regular Jamaican things
Like oxtail, curry mutton, we do patties.
Okay.
Yeah, ackee and
The
saltfish.
patties made
farm
here?
food. Yeah, we bake them here.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So what do you think about the Commonwealth Games coming to Birmingham?
I don't really have an opinion about that, to be honest.
Is it
To
a
me,
good or
it's-
bad
To me,
thing?
it's
Just
it's-
nothing.
It's okay. I mean, for the road, the
Yeah,
surrounding, the
the new-
fixtures and everything, the new layout and
That
everything.
look good.
It's a
A nice
upgrade
precedent.
to the area.
Yeah. And what about the train station?
And the train station.
This was the
already,
first
which
I
is
was going in there today.
good.
Yeah.
I've
You've not been in
as
there,
yet,
yeah.
so I don't know.
But it
what
looked nice
looks
and
like.
new. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, 1 minute.
It looked nice and new.
Yeah, it's. I like the way it looks because I walked up there when not too long ago.
Yeah.
About 15 minutes ago, and it looks good, especially out at the front of the shopping center.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
So with,
Yeah.
And with the Commonwealth, I think it's exposure for
For the
the
area.
area
Yeah.
that we're in because.
Well, they say jobs have come about as a result. I suppose.
Oh yes, I
Yeah.
know somebody that
Got a job.
She got a job working over there.
Oh,
That's
that's
through
good.
an agency. I don't remember what it's called. But yeah, a lot of people.
Yeah. And what you hoping for the shop now with the Commonwealth
With
Games?
the Commonwealth, oh Lord, I hope all of them come down, come buy
Yeah.
everything.
What a thing if you see Shelley and
I
Fraser
am
Price
telling you,
and,
oh Lord, that would be amazing.
and some other big names.
That
'Cause
would be amazing.
you know what you should do?
Yeah.
Set up a wall somewhere where you can get their signature. They just sign it. Even if you
That
put one
makes
little something
sense.
here,
Yeah.
and they sign it. People will come for,
Yeah.
just visit that. Shelley Ann was here.
Yeah.
A lot of shops in Jamaica do that when they have
Oh.
big events like that. Put up something,
Yeah.
even a blackboard, something, and when they come in, they sign it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like that idea.
Try to get one
Yeah,
set up.
I'm gonna try and get it. So fingers crossed, we might see some of the big stars coming down
Yeah,
here.
maybe not even Jamaicans, but other people
But
wanting
other
to try
people- exactly.
Jamaican.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you very much, my love, and all the best.
Thank
You're
you,
here.
Stu. No problem. What's your YouTube channel here?
Joe Lisa, you want to subscribe?
Yeah, I'll subscribe to
Yeah,
you.
and you'll see this video out most likely tomorrow.
Joe Lisa.
Joleisa.
Yeah.
Done?
I can't even find it. Where my YouTube then? Oh, Jesus. YouTube upgrade them thing. Okay, so
Leisa.
JOLEISA.
You see two fat juicy girls? That are we.
These are two fat juicy girls. Oh, yeah, that's you.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
you see subscribe up at top?
Yes.
That's it.
Definitely.
Alright, so look out for it tomorrow.
All right, then, Jolie.
Alright, take care.
No
here.
problem. Thank you so much.
Alright, bye
All
bye.
right, then, take care. Have a good day.
And you. So guineps, no, okra, thyme, saltfish, chocho, banana, the whole works. Jamaica. If you want anything Jamaican, one-stop shopping center. What's this shop name again?
Ultimate Grocers.
Ultimate Grocers. But inside is Top Gully, which is the restaurant. So there you have it. I've just noticed that the shopping center has a live lounge, one-stop shopping centers where you can sit and watch the games. Let's see, you can enjoy free coverage of the entire Commonwealth Games right here at One Stop all day, every day, from the 28th of July to the 8th of August. That's goody. Yeah, and a little sofa area set up so people can actually sit and chill and watch the games. I like this. Could be bigger still, I think, anyway. And a few free fruits. Let's see. That's nice. Free kids events throughout the games. That's a fun thing to do, to take the family down and enjoy while the games go on. So yes, Birmingham stepping it up. I'm still looking for a few others to interview. I'm nervous, I'm shy, I'm scared. But so far I got a couple. They were okay. I've come almost full circle. So up the road there is where I'm coming from. I'm challenging myself. I haven't seen anything exciting yet, apart from people milling about and going towards the games. But I'm going to challenge myself to do at least one more interview before I head home. I'll show you now a good view, a better view actually, of the athlete village. So those buildings there, and those ones, and those ones, and those high-rise ones, all part of the athlete village. There are more, I think, and there are more events happening, not just right here in where this is the center where things are happening, but there are other locations as well. But most of it will be here. I can imagine some of the what's those long races called again? Can't remember the name. I'll put it on the screen. But those long races, I can imagine some of them will be happening on this road, because this road will be closed for part of the time to vehicular traffic. Guys, I can't even remember what was right here, but all of a sudden we now have McDonald's right in walking distance to the athlete village. And look, already it's so full. Oh my. Things are happening in Brum, near to me, near to home. Anyway, toilet break, so I'll head on over. Hopefully I can use the toilet there.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. And everything is bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain. And the even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still
not
go.
you, not you.
Go,
The sign.
go, 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 go.
Thank you. So now that I've had a toilet break, I'm hitting the road again, seeing if I can find anything else or anybody else. You know what the lady in the shop was saying? They keep warning people about traffic in the area, so people have actually left their cars. Some people have avoided the area altogether. So as a result, the road is quite clear. Traffic flowing freely. Let me show you. Because everybody thought that we'd be in a traffic jam or something now. Guys, I don't know whether I've got myself into a pickle, but I got on a bus to try to get nearer to the stadium just so I could show you if anything is actually happening there. But guess what? It's all blocked off. I don't know if I can. Oh, it looks so strange. Oh no. I don't know if I can walk past or what. But the stadium is over in that direction. Can't even see it. I can see the big screen. I don't know if you can see it over in the distance. We'd normally drive across that way. Oh no, I've got to turn back. We normally drive across that way to head home. But I see there are barricades put up. So I suspect, oh, we'll see. I'll see how far I can take you. I'm trying my best. But I also see a lot of the staff members who are going to be working at the event. Some of them came off at the same bus stop that I did. And there are some coming up in the distance. Can I be brave enough to interview one of them? At least one? They're gonna cross the road and I'm trying to cross as well. But there, it's not much traffic. Everybody's avoiding the road because we heard it would be a lot of traffic. But it isn't. Oh wow. Can I cross? It's changed. Are you one of the athletes? No. You wish you were.
I don't even know if I can go in there.
That's what I need to go that way, but I don't know. Oh, it's okay. I need to go that way as well, but I don't know if I'm allowed. Okay. Oh yeah. All right, then take care.
Yeah.
Not a common sight.
Can I go through that way or not? Second.
And then carry on round. Okay. But you can't go where the stadium is. No. Okay. So these guys here are from Leisa. Oh, you're a coach. Lesotho. Oh, what's your name?
My name is Kauta.
Kauta. And your name?
Andres.
Andres. Oh, so you're a coach as well?
Yes.
Oh, what event? What?
Athletics.
Athletics?
Yes.
100 meter?
No, marathon.
Marathon. Woohoo! Oh, so how long have you been here?
Arrived here on Monday.
Monday.
Yes.
Oh, welcome to Birmingham. Or Joe. So we have a YouTube channel. So you have a lot of athletes here?
So they are still in the village.
They're in the village?
Yeah.
A lot? How many?
How many? 10.
10?
Yes.
Woo.
But so it's compromised with 20 athletes.
Okay.
But our discipline.
Yeah. So do you like it here?
Yeah, it's nice.
Is it nice? Is it hotter back home or here?
Home is it was snow.
Snow?
Yeah, it was snow.
Really?
Yes.
You know it is snow.
Huh?
You know snow.
Yes, we have snow here sometimes.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, like December, November, December, maybe January, February, depends, but not a lot.
Alright. There
Nah.
is a lot. But we mostly from May, sometime in June, July, August, and September.
Snow.
Yes.
Oh, so the athletes must be very hot now.
Ah, it's hot here.
It's hot here.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy the games.
Well enjoyed.
Hope your athletes do well. My athletes are from Jamaica. Jamaica. Yeah.
Wow. Sprinters.
Yes, fast ones. Yeah, done.
Come on.
Right. So in no time they're done and gone home. But take care. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, and enjoy.
Stay safe.
I will. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye bye. So guys, I've just had some luck. I got to interview two gentlemen who are coaches from Lesotho. I don't have a clue where in the world that is. Pardon my geography. But they said they brought about 10 athletes here who run the marathon. That's the name, that's the word I was trying to look for earlier. So their athletes run the marathon, and they said that when they were leaving Lesotho, it was snowing. Ooh. So for them, it's really, really hot now. But here's the stadium. There's the sign to the stadium. That's all I can see, just the sign. And I can see a few people going over. I can see signs showing where the shuttle buses will be allowed to go. And something that you don't often see in England is police with their guns, long ones and short ones. So that's it, guys. I think I'll stay out of their way. I hope you got a feel for the excitement that we are feeling here in Birmingham to host the Commonwealth Games. I'm going to try to walk my 10,000 steps home. If I get halfway there, I'll be happy. If I get halfway there and I'm tired, I'll take the bus to finish up my trip home. But thank you so much. It has been for me a fun experience to try to get little glimpses of what's happening in my city for the Commonwealth Game. And also a few on the way. It does look, oh, I can see some more. Woohoo! I don't know if that's good for you, but I can see a little bit more. Oh, I wish I was able to go over there. Ladies, I envy you that you can go over there and I can't.
Oh, you're watching the ceremony today?
Is it today?
It's today, yeah.
What time?
Hence all the police and stuff. Starts with BBC at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Wow.
Yeah. So we'll be there.
Thank you so much. Have fun. Enjoy.
With the ball women.
Ball. Can I do a little interview? Is that okay? Please. Ball women.
State now, but we'll look a bigger state later.
Bull. Oh, I say bull, but you say ball.
Bull.
Bull women. Okay. So you'll be dressed with.
We'll be dressed in Victorian outfits.
Wow.
1910.
Yeah.
Wow.
We're the pioneers for us now receiving the minimum wage. That's the significance of our role in the
We're
ceremony.
called slaves.
White slaves, actually, yeah.
Really?
Back in the day,
We
were
making chains in our backyards.
So we all went on
1.5
strike.
pence a week.
How long have you been training for this?
We've been rehearsing.
7 or 8 weeks.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, a couple of months.
And did you have to apply or did they seek you out?
Yeah, you auditioned way back in January. And then
I did apply just to be a volunteer. They didn't take me. No, I just didn't hear back. I just didn't hear back.
They were still looking because I think they got their numbers, then they didn't get their numbers.
Right. Well, I kept getting emails, but then I said I applied. I haven't heard back. So.
Oh, shame.
next time.
Yeah, hopefully. But enjoy it.
Thank you,
I'll look out for you. The bull
women.
Chain
women.
Bull chain.
So we're pulling on the bull.
And it's tonight.
Tonight.
7 o'clock BBC. Thank you and enjoy. All right. Bye bye. So there you had it from the horse's mouth. I should say rather the bull's mouth, because those two ladies are going to be part of the opening ceremony. And guess what I just found out? It's actually tonight, 7 o'clock on BBC. I suppose you'll be able to see some coverage or some sort of footage where you are, wherever you are in the world. But we'll have it on the BBC at 7 o'clock tonight. So I better get home, edit this video so you can see this before you see the opening ceremony of the Commonwealth Games 2022. Hello. Hello. I've come to find out what's happening here.
If you don't have this one, you can't go in.
I can't go in. I won't go in.
No, here you can't.
I'm not going in there.
What you do?
I just wanted to know what's happening.
What's happening? I think all the cars they put here. I think someone come in and look at maybe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, some of
just to look at them, but you have to have a ticket.
No, they have only this one.
Okay. Oh. All right then. Yeah, take care. So those are some of the cars that will be as part of the opening ceremony. I'm not sure, but look out if you'll see them. Some fancy numbers, nice numbers there. Wow. Quintessentially British. That it starts recording.
That's really good. What's that?
DJI Osmo Pocket.
Did you get it?
Amazon. DJI Osmo Pocket. Are you on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm on
Follow
YouTube.
me.
Okay. No, on the I've got a new but I don't want you to interview me like this.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I understand.
You see what I mean? Like,
yeah, I
this
understand. Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you me. I'm gonna show you me. So
Stop
everyone get
tomorrow.
grateful.
So off in the distance is the stadium, or little bits of it that you can see. This is actually the back. So I'm at the back gate heading home. If I was driving in 3 or so minutes, I'd be home. But it's a longer walk.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my...
Yeah, a lot of people heading towards work at the stadium. I think I'm going to get the bus. There's one, but it's not heading my way, I'm sure. Oh, I've got to walk. But you see, not much vehicular traffic, because they vet people first if they're heading, and they have to have a certain ticket. So if they're heading down towards the stadium, then they're allowed through. But regular vehicular traffic, not allowed.
To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying,
oh no. Guys, can you see what's happened to me? As a result of the games event, this bus stop will be out of use. Oh.
Hi there, how you doing?
Hello.
This is a leaflet for Boar's Head over there. If you do you mind if you do?
turn up to a game.
Boar's Head.
Oh,
the one. Okay, thank you.
Till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more.
Poor old me sitting in the bus stop waiting because I'm tired. There is a sign that says the bus stop will be closed, so I thought, oh, I better walk on, but it says between 3 p.m. and 3 a.m. So Today's Thursday, yeah. So the bus should still be coming. I'll be okay to get a little ride home, have some lunch, and then get editing this video for tonight.
Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
There's a bus coming, so I think I'll be fine. Get on this one.
Go, 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 go,
I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm hot and sweaty now. Is this going to turn here or are you going straight up? King's Standing. Is it turning this way?
No, 997. 997, 10.
No, I don't want to turn. I want to go straight up.
Alright. This is going straight past and then up, then turns left.
Oh, I want
907.
Thank you. Oh, there's one behind. Oh no. Okay, okay. Thank you. Is this turning left or are you going straight up? You're turning left. Okay, thank you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I'm down through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Long one, not my bus.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Take number 921. I think this is it now. So I'll get this one, get home, have some lunch, edit the video, ready for tonight.
Go, 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 still go, 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 slow, go, still go, 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 still go. I never answer, no, no, I still go.
Hello. So we're back right where I started this morning. The games are in our neck of the woods. We're excited. I hope you enjoyed the interviews that I got to do with a few people that I saw. The buzz, I don't know, I hope you picked up that there is a buzz in my neck of the woods here in Birmingham. And it was so real, because you always sort of watch these things on TV. You never think one day it's going to be in your neck of the woods. But yes, Birmingham. And tonight, oh my, I haven't been watching the news, so I didn't realize that the opening ceremony is actually tonight. So I'm hoping you'll get to see this video today, sometime during the day, perhaps at 6 o'clock, and then at 7 o'clock UK time it will be the opening ceremony where we welcome athletes from all over the world. I met some of the ladies as well, and some gentlemen too, who are working as volunteers or as part of the opening ceremony. So I hope you enjoyed those interviews. Guys, thank you so much. If you haven't yet, oh, we got some new subscribers today. Welcome if you're watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, we hope you do so soon. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.